this is B16. I will be doing my second domino trick tutorial today. This is an improved version of 22 dominoes, 22 tricks called Re-Domino. So his trick, I tried it a lot. It didn't always work for me, so I tried to improve it, and I made this one that always works. So I hope you like this video, and if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so first grab a black domino. Just place it like that. And then grab a white domino. Place it on top of the black domino, overlapping just a little bit on the left side. Then place a blue domino on the right edge of the white domino, like that. Then take a green domino and place it right on top of the black domino and touching the white domino. And if it doesn't stand up immediately, then push the white domino and the blue domino back a tiny bit. Now you need to make sure that the green domino is overlapping over the black domino a little bit, or else the trick won't work. Okay, so that's one section of the trick. You just keep building more of those. White domino overlapping just a little bit. And between each section, make sure it's about between the two black dominoes. It should be pretty much exactly one domino width apart, like that. Okay, I'll build a couple more of these. So, black domino, and this is really important. Make sure that the green domino is like pretty much going as far as it can, overlapping the black domino, so that when it gets nudged just a tiny bit, it will fall over and hit the next white domino, which pushes the green domino. Black domino, white overlapping just a tiny bit, green domino horizontal on top of the black domino, blue domino vertical on the right edge of the white domino. Okay, I'll build one more of these, and then I'll explain the other parts of it. And between the gaps of each section, make sure that they're not too close, because if they're too close, the green domino could hit the blue domino, which we don't want to happen. And make sure it's not too far, because then it might not hit the white domino. So again, exactly one domino width apart, like between my two fingers. Okay, once you have that, I'll adjust the camera a little. Put some black horizontal dominoes leading up to the white domino. And make sure that it's not hitting it completely head on, but on the side a little bit so that it can come back around and knock over these blue dominoes. But still make sure that it will hit the white domino. And make sure you put at least 4 dominoes horizontally, and then just regular vertical dominoes. And then place some yellow dominoes. Make sure it's this yellow domino is touching the corner of the green domino. Put another yellow domino. Lean this domino onto the yellow domino. And then circle around. Circle around until the beginning of these 5 sections. And then make another 180-degree turn, but before that, place a yellow domino on its face like that, and then place another yellow domino on top of it, forming a T. I'll take off these 2 so you can see. Okay, and then grab some more yellow dominoes, put one on the very end of the domino, right there, so that when it falls it will hit this blue domino. Then place another one on that top domino, along with one on the bottom domino, and circle around, making a sharp 180-degree turn. Or you could just do a direction changer, put a leaning domino like that. Okay, so then once you've done that, I'll angle my camera over here, and take some teal dominoes, put 3 dominoes in a row right there. So the reason there are 3 there is because a horizontal domino does not have enough power to knock over 3 vertical dominoes. So, but a vertical domino does. So, when this falls, it will not cause this to knock over, but it will cause this to fall over and go around here, which will knock over the blue dominoes and cause this blue domino to hit these 3 teal dominoes. Then just continue a domino run over here. Okay, so what I made over here is kind of risky. I'll redo that. I'm just making a 180-degree turn. Okay, so probably already know this, but how this will work is these black horizontal dominoes will fall and nudge this white domino slightly so that the green domino falls onto that white domino, which will nudge it slightly. And same with these. Then we'll hit this yellow leaning domino and come around here and then knock over the blue dominoes that will not have fallen over, and knock over this teal domino run. So let's hope it works in 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you for watching. I recently got 25 subscribers, so I will be doing a 25 subscriber domino screen link, and that will come out soon. I hope you watch it, and thank you for watching. Bye.